Let me ask you something, brother. When she moved on so fast, what was the first thought that hit you? Was it that you didn't mean anything? That all the nights, the laughs, the sacrifices just vanished? I know that sting. I know how heavy it feels when you see her with someone new, like you've been erased from her story, like the chapter with you no longer matters. But here's the truth you need to hear. She didn't replace you. She distracted herself. What she's showing the world right now isn't love, it's survival. And what determines whether you rise or crumble in this moment isn't about her new man at all. It's about you. Because how you respond will decide if you stay broken or if you become the man she never truly gets over. Let's break this down. First thing, she didn't heal, she escaped. When a woman runs into another man's arms right after leaving you, it's not because she found the one, it's because she couldn't face the silence. Silence is where truth lives. It's in that silence where the weight of the breakup hits. The loneliness, the regret, the self-reflection. Most people can't handle it, so instead of sitting with it, she skips it. She covers it up with a new face, a new laugh, a new body to keep her company. But unprocessed pain doesn't disappear. It doesn't dissolve. It waits. It builds. And one day, when the glow of that new relationship fades, when the noise dies down, all that weight comes crashing back. She didn't dodge the pain. She delayed it. And trust me, deep down, she knows it. Second thing, her new man isn't a rival, he's a bandage. I know it feels like she upgraded, like you lost in some silent competition, but you didn't. You can't compete with a bandage because a bandage was never meant to last. That man isn't your enemy. He's a placeholder, a rebound, a mirror she uses to reflect her own loneliness. And one day, he'll realize something painful. He wasn't chosen out of love, he was chosen out of fear. Fear of being alone, fear of facing her own emptiness. That's not something to envy, brother. That's something to pity. Because when the mask falls, when the thrill fades, he's the one who will pay the price for wounds that were never his to heal. Third thing, her performance is not her reality. Scroll through her socials and you'll see it. Smiles, selfies, new adventures. It looks like she's glowing. But ask yourself this, who is she performing for? Not just him, not just her friends. She's performing for you. Every picture, every laugh, every caption, it's all designed to send you one message. See? I'm happier without you. But here's the thing about performances. They always crack. The louder she screams about her happiness, the more you can be sure of one thing. She's empty inside. Real happiness doesn't beg to be seen. Real peace doesn't need an audience. Pain does. Fourth thing, comparison will destroy you. This is where men sabotage themselves. You start scrolling through his socials. You look at his life, his smile, his clothes. You start imagining he's everything you're not. Taller, richer, funnier, stronger. But here's the trap. You're comparing your lowest moment to his highlight reel. You're giving him your power, your focus, your masculine energy, when in reality, you don't even know him. You're competing against a fantasy your own mind created. The moment you stop comparing is the moment you regain your strength. Because the real question isn't, is he better than me? It's, am I becoming better than I was yesterday? That's the only comparison that matters. Fifth thing, her control ended the moment you went silent. What really shakes her isn't losing you, it's losing your attention. Because attention is energy, and when your energy is gone, so is her power. She thought you'd still be watching, checking her stories, reacting to her posts. She thought you'd validate her choices by showing her you were still affected. But the moment you stopped, that silence hit her. And silence is louder than any words you could send. That's when curiosity creeps in. That's when she starts wondering why you're not looking anymore, why your name isn't showing up in her views, why your energy is gone. And when curiosity shows up, cracks appear. Suddenly, her perfect relationship doesn't feel so perfect, because silence isn't weakness, silence is strength. It's the echo she can't escape, and nothing cuts deeper than your absence. Sixth thing, the man she left isn't the man she remembers. Think about this carefully. She didn't walk away from the best version of you, she left the man who maybe got too comfortable. the one who tolerated too much, who forgot his own worth, who stopped pushing himself. But that isn't the man she fell for in the first place, and it doesn't have to be the man you remain. Breakups give you two choices: stay broken or rise. This is your chance to rise, not for her, not to prove anything, but to reclaim yourself. Because the best revenge isn't begging her back, it's becoming undeniable. The man who turns heartbreak into fuel, who turns silence into focus, who turns pain into growth, that man can't be replaced. And when she sees that evolution, she'll know. She didn't just lose a boyfriend, she lost the best version of you she'll never get again. Seventh thing, jealousy tricks you into forgetting your worth. Jealousy is a dangerous game. It makes you think he's the prize, when in reality, he's not. Step back and look at it clearly. If she really downgraded, and in most cases she did, what are you jealous of? You're not losing to him. You're losing to your own imagination. You're building him up in your mind as someone greater than he really is. But here's the truth. He's not chosen out of love. He's chosen out of her fear of being alone. And that means he's trapped in her cycle now. She'll drain him, she'll use him to cover the silence, and when she's bored, she'll leave him empty. So instead of being jealous, feel pity. Because he's not living a love story, he's living her distraction. And one day, you'll realize you were never competing with him. You were escaping the illusion jealousy tried to trap you in. Eighth thing, time will expose the truth. Rebounds don't last. They're fireworks, bright, loud, and dazzling, but over almost as quickly as they started. At first, everything feels exciting, intoxicating, like it's a new chapter, but give it time. The glow fades, the mask drops, the honeymoon haze clears, and when it does, she's left staring at the reality she was trying to outrun. And in that quiet moment, guess who she'll think about? You, your presence, your history, the man who once gave her real connection. And here's the twist: if you didn't chase, if you didn't beg, if you stayed silent and kept growing, you become the contrast, you become the standard. And that's when regret creeps in. That's when she realizes what she lost. The man she remembers isn't the one she left, it's the one who rose from the ashes without her. Ninth thing, regret always comes when the show ends. Regret doesn't hit her when she's out partying, posting, or wrapped up with her new man. Regret hits her in the quiet moments, late at night when she's lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, when the messages stop lighting up her phone, when the excitement of being wanted fades into the same routine she once had with you. That's when her mind drifts back, not to the man she's with, but to the man she left. She'll remember the safety of your presence, the way you understood her without words, the comfort of your silence, and regret will whisper louder than any attention she ever chased. That's why your strength now matters so much, because while she's performing for the world, you're building yourself in silence. And when her show ends, she'll realize you were the real thing all along. So let her run, let her post the pictures, let her pretend she won. Because what she doesn't realize is this: the real battle was never between you and him. The real battle was between you and yourself. And the moment you choose growth over jealousy, silence over desperation, discipline over chaos, you've already won. She'll feel it, she'll notice it, but by the time she does, you'll be too far ahead to even look back. If this spoke to you, like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and comment the word power if you're choosing growth over jealousy today.